Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making pea and mint soup from this book called Usborne Start to Cook. Cut the onion in half, cut the halves into quarters and the quarters into thin slices. Then cut the slices into small pieces. Peel the potato and cut it into large chunks around 2 cm across. Put the butter in a pan. Put the pan over medium heat until the butter has melted. Put the onion in the pan and cook it for 5 minutes, stirring now and then. Crush the garlic into the pan. Cook for 1 more minute, stirring all the time. The onion should have softened. Put the potato in the pan, then add the stock cube, pepper and salt, and 900 milliliters of boiling water. When the soup starts to boil, turn down the heat so it bubbles gently. Put on a lid, leaving a small gap, and cook for 10 minutes. Then add the peas and cook for 10 more minutes. Pick the mint leaves off their stalks. Put the leaves in a cup, snip them into small pieces using kitchen scissors. When the soup is cooked, leave it to cool for a few minutes. Then, using a blender, blend it until very smooth. Ladle it into bowls, sprinkle over the chopped herbs, and add a spoonful of yogurt. Let's try this out.